video, I am telling lines about Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August of every year. Independence Day marks the end of British rule in 1947 and the establishment of a free and independent Indian nation. The Independence Day also marks the anniversary of undivided India's partition into India and Pakistan, which occurred at midnight on August in between 1450 and 1947. British rule in India began in 1757 when, following the British victory at the Battle of Plassey, the English East India Company began exercising control over the country. The East India Company ruled India for 100 years until it was replaced by direct British rule, also referred as the British Raj. The Indian independence movement began during the First World War and was led by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who advised for a peaceful and non-violent end to British rule. Independence Day is marked throughout India with flag-raising ceremonies, drills, and the singing of the Indian national anthem. Additionally, various cultural programs are made available in the state capitals. On this day, the Prime Minister hoists the Indian flag on the ramparts of the historical site of Red Fort in Delhi. National anthem Jana Gana Mana will be played and sung at the time of flag hoist. 21 gunshots are fired in honor of the solemn occasion. The Prime Minister in his speech highlights the past year's achievements, raises important issues, calls for further development, and outlining future challenges and goals. He pays tribute to the leaders of the Indian independence movement. The speech is followed by a march past of divisions of the Indian Armed Forces and paramilitary forces. Kite flying has also become an Independence Day tradition, with kites of various sizes, shapes and colors filling the sky. Also, to commemorate the day, government offices in New Delhi remain lit throughout the holiday, even though they are closed. Schools and colleges conduct flag hoisting ceremonies and cultural events. The aim of holding various activities in the schools is to teach the students more about our country, freedom fighters, and their struggles who bear the pain to give us a free nation. This year, we celebrate 75th Independence Day on 15th August 2021. This day is observed as a national holiday across India. This Independence Day, we should dream of India which is strong and powerful and have the capability to face any problems with unity. Let us all proud to be Indians and work hard to maintain our freedom. Jai Hind! Jai Bharat! Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye. Have a good day.